Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my name is Ali. I'm your physics teacher, and in today's lecture we are going to solve the numerical problems of chapter number 12, Geometric Optics, from the physics of 10th class. Students, before solving the numericals, you have to keep in mind a few formulas which we have to use in the solution of numericals. The first formula is mirror and lens formula. It is 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q, where f, p and q are representing focal length, distance of object and distance of image respectively. The second formula is f is equal to r by 2, the half of radius is equal to focal length. Snell's law, n is equal to sine of I over sine of r, where I and r are the incidence and refraction angle respectively. The next relation, n is equal to c over v. C is speed of light in air and v is speed of light in the medium. N is equal to 1 over sine c. C is critical angle, n is refractive index. The power of lens is given by 1 over f, reciprocal of the focal length. Students, the formula of linear magnification is m is equal to h of I over h of o is equal to q by p, where hi and ho are the height of image and height of object. Magnifying power of simple microscope, m is equal to theta prime by theta is equal to 1 plus d over f. The magnification formula for the compound microscope is m is equal to L over f naught into 1 plus d over f of e, where f of o and f of e is the focal length of objective lens and eyepiece respectively. The magnification of telescope is given by m is equal to f of o over f of e. So before solving the numerical 12.1, I'm going to read the statement of this numerical, that in 12.1 an object 10 centimeter in front of a convex mirror forms an image 5 centimeter behind the mirror. What is the focal length of the mirror? Students, p is equal to 10 centimeter, q is equal to minus 5 because it is virtual, so we'll take it with the negative sign. The focal length we have to find. The formula for this purpose is 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. Then next step, we will put the values in it. F1 over f is equal to 1 over 10 minus 1 over 5, as minus will be multiplied with plus and it will become minus. So next steps are mathematically very simple. We have to take the LCM. It will become 5 minus 10 by 50 is equal to minus 5 by 50, and when we will divide the both values on 5, it will become 1 minus 1 by 10. And after taking the reciprocal on both sides to get f, as it is 1 over f, then the answer of focal length will be minus 10 centimeter. Students, the statement of 12.2 is an object 30 centimeter tall located at 10.5 centimeter from a concave mirror with a focal length 16 centimeter. Where the image is located, how high it is. So in given height of object is 30 centimeter, distance of object is 10.5 centimeter and focal length of 16 centimeter. The image distance we have to find and height of image we have to find. So first, for solving the image distance, we will use the formula 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. In next step, students will rearrange as we have to get q, so it will become 1 over q is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over p. We will put the values of f and p. 1 over q is equal to 1 over 16 minus 1 over 10.5. Students, to solve it simply, we will multiply 16 with 10.5. Instead of taking LCM, we will take the just common factor, so it will be easier for all of you to solve these values. So it will become minus 11 by 336. Then we have to take the reciprocal on both sides, as we have to calculate q instead of 1 over q. So q will become minus 336 divided by 11, so answer will be minus 30.54 centimeter, where minus is representing it just as virtual. So as we know, m is equal to h of I over h of o is equal to q by p. So for calculating hi, it will become q by p multiply ho. We will put the values 30.54 by 10.5 multiply 30. It will become 916.2 divided by 10.5 and is equal to 87.25 centimeter will be the height of image. Students, for solving the numerical 12.3, the statement is an object and its image in concave mirror are of the same height yet inverted. When the object is 20 centimeter from the mirror, what is the focal length of the mirror? As we know, m is equal to h of I over h of O is equal to q by p is equal to 1. So q by p will be also equal to 1 and q will become equal to p. The p is given 20 centimeter and we have to find focal length. Again we will use the same relation as used in the previous numericals. 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. Then the next step we will put the values of p and q as the value of p and q is same, so it will become 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20. We will take the common factor, then it will become 1 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 2 by 20 and it will become 1 by 10. So we will take the reciprocal on both sides. It will become f instead of 1 over f is equal to 10 centimeter. Students, for solving 12.4, the statement is find the focal length of mirror that forms an image 5.66 centimeter behind the mirror of an object placed at 34.4 centimeter in front of the mirror. Is the mirror concave or convex? So as q is equal to minus 5.66 virtual image, we will take it as the sign of minus with the value. The p is equal to 34.4 centimeter. Our required are nature of image. Then first we have to solve it as using formula 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. In next step we will put the values 1 over 34.4 minus 1 over 5.66. Students, as I have told already that it is easy for you to solve this, that simply multiply the denominator values and solve them with numerator after that. So it will become minus 7185 divided by 48676. So on dividing these values and taking the reciprocal and then divide, it will become f is equal to minus 6.77 centimeter. Then as focal length is negative, since focal length is negative, so mirror is convex because only the sign of negative will be with focal length in case of convex mirror. Students, the statement of 12.5 numerical is an image of a statue appears to be 11.5 centimeter behind a concave mirror with a focal length 13.5 centimeter. Find the distance from the statue to the mirror. Then given is q is equal to minus 11.5 centimeter as it is behind the mirror, so image is virtual. So focal length is equal to minus 13.5 centimeter in case of convex mirror. Then in the statement it has given an image of a statue appears to be 11.5 centimeter behind a concave mirror with the focal length 13.5 centimeter. Find the distance from the statue to the mirror. So we'll use the relation for finding the p, that 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. It will become 1 over p is equal to 1 over f and 1 over q will be subtracted from 1 over f. It will become 1 over p is equal to 1 over p minus 1 over q. Students, in next step we will put the values and solve them. It will become minus 1 by 13.5. The steps for solving this is similar to the previous numericals, so all of you can solve it easily. Is equal to minus 1.1 divided by 13.5 minus 1 by 11.5. Again we will multiply the values and solve them with each other. It will become 1 over p is equal to 8 by 621. Taking the reciprocal on both sides, p will be equal to 621 by 8. It will be 77.62 centimeter will be the answer. So it's the statement of 12.6 numerical is that an image of statue appears to be an image is produced by a concave mirror of focal length 8.7 centimeter. The object is 13.2 centimeter tall and at a distance 19.3 centimeter from the mirror. Find the location and the height of the image, and find the height of the image produced by the mirror if the object is twice as from the mirror. Students, there are two parts of the numerical. First we are going to solve the first one, that f is given 8.5 centimeter, height of object is 13.2 centimeter, and distance of object for the part 1 is 19.3 centimeter. We have to find location and height of image, q and hi. The as hi is given as twice, so it will p will be equal to q will be equal to 2p. Then using the relation 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q, in the next step it will become 1 over, rearranging it will become 1 over q is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over p. Putting the values of f and p, it will become 1 over 8.7 minus 1 over 19.3. Again we will take just common factor by multiplying 8.7 and 19.3 and solving with each other. It will become 1060 divided by 16791. We will take the reciprocal on both sides, and q will be 15.84 centimeter. Students, we will solve the remaining numericals in the next video.